Now, if the vehicle should happen to come in and it's running great, you take it for a test drive, it idles smooth, there's no hesitation, it doesn't stall, it seems to have plenty of power. In other words, it seems to be running great, yet you have these misfire codes stored in the PCM. That's when you may want to look at this other particular issue that may contribute to what we're calling those phantom or false misfire codes displayed. Some Subarus, like I said, Subaru Foresters 2014 through 2017, can have this particular issue. And in fact, Subaru has issued a technical service bulletin pertaining to this particular issue on these vehicles. And it turns out that the original alternator that came on the vehicle and the clutch pulley assembly may be defective. And that may be causing some harshness, some vibration, some roughness, maybe even some belt slippage in the accessory drive belt system. And that can then falsely trigger the crankshaft position sensor into displaying and storing and causing a misfire code to be stored in the PCM.